of being economically sustainable over the long term. Ultimately, digital preservation is a process where we actively intervene to reduce the risks that are posed to the long-term accessibility and usability of important, valuable digital materials. I think we're very familiar with talking about that in technical terms. So we often intervene with technical solutions to reduce the technical risks to the long-term accessibility of digital materials. And in this way, we make these materials technically sustainable over the long term. We also need to intervene with economic solutions to make our digital preservation activities and indeed our digital materials economically sustainable. We have to secure adequate resources to achieve the long-term preservation goals that we set. And in this way, we reduce the economic risks to these digital assets, the risk being that there would be a significant interruption in the flow of funds and resources to the preservation activities such that they would essentially cease and be unable to achieve their goals. If we're going to reduce these economic risks, we have to have active investment on the part of key decision makers, and that's really where this panel session, the motivation for the panel session, comes from. Today, we'd like to bring together a variety of perspectives from a range of decision-making roles on this digital preservation investment question. So as a preamble to the panel discussion, we can return to this sustainability definition and essentially use it as an organizing framework for our discussion. I mentioned that this list of conditions represents a set of elements that the task force abstracted out